Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Starodop and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's the 7th of December today, Wednesday, and in our today's review, Bitcoin may fall another 70% while gold could rise to new all-time highs. Bitcoin is losing its bullish potential, though most investors still actively accumulate the cryptocurrency. Let's start. We will start with an article by Irina Yanina and one more opinion on the possible further destiny of Bitcoin, one more scenario. So this is the opinion by Eric Robertson, head of global research at Standard Chartered Bank, who thinks that Bitcoin may fall to $5,000 next year, while gold could rise to a new all-time high of $2,250 an ounce. He says that Bitcoin could suffer significant losses next year as the technology sector continues to suffer and the crypto space sees more bankruptcies and contagion risks. And this sell-off would see Bitcoin drop 70% from its current levels. It has already fallen by 63% since the beginning of the year, as you will remember. So this is quite possible, according to Robertson. Another scenario is gold rising as Bitcoin falls, as investors turn their attention away from the digital version of gold to the real metal, and thus gold could jump to $2,250 an ounce next year. And this will be 26% higher from current levels. It should be noted that this is not forecast. This is just a potential extreme surprise scenario that markets are underestimating. This is just an idea, just a scenario. Well, and now let's move back to the present picture and the next article by Artem Petrenko. So what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment? Bitcoin buyers bought off the local bottom near the level of $15,600. Afterwards, it increased and reached a local high of $17,400. But it failed to cope with the growing pressure of sales, and the price rolled back to the support level of 17,000. Thus, Bitcoin confirmed the weakness of the current uptrend and the low probability of pushing buyers to become even more active. Most investors remain neutral towards Bitcoin and continue to actively accumulate the cryptocurrency. However, it's important to emphasize that there is no consensus among all categories. The number of addresses holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin reached a 2-year low. At the same time, analysts see whales and smaller addresses being active, which absorb market volumes. It should be also said that miners still suffer losses, and many of mining companies are on the verge of bankruptcy. As for on-chain analysis, Bitcoin's main network metrics are showing a slight increase, which is a positive signal considering the trend of the last few days. The number of unique addresses in the network is growing in parallel with trading volumes. This is an indirect confirmation that buyers are becoming active. However, it's not necessary to talk about strengthening the current local trend since there is no obvious dynamics and the activity will probably decrease shortly soon. If we look at the chart, what can we see? Bitcoin has made its full-fledged attempt to go beyond the triangle. Bulls tried to break through the 17,400 level by gradually increasing volumes. However, bears near the limit offset the bulls' attempts. The $70,400 level is the main resistance level. A large number of short positions and a zone of interest for bears are concentrated near it. So it was the combination of these factors offset bullish attempts to break out of the triangle. Technically, metrics also point to the equity of the parties of bears and bulls. So now bulls should stay at the area of 16,900, 17,000. In case they successfully defend this level, we should expect Bitcoin to rise above the level of 70,400. In an alternative negative scenario and a breakdown of 16,900, Bitcoin will retest the psychological level of 16,000 and probably renew the local bottom. So as a result, Artem says that once again, it's really important to defend this very level of 60,900 and then finally break the point 17,400. Okay, well, now let's look at the chart and we'll see if it managed to defend it or not. Okay. If you look at the yesterday, Bitcoin tried to defend this very level. It was above 17,000, then a little lower at 16,900, then again above, and so on. Today, 7th of December, Bitcoin opened at the point 17,066. And now at the moment of the publication, it is trading at 17,009. Well, probably it managed to defend this very zone, but it's still too close to the breakdown. So we will see. This is all for the moment for today. I wish you a fantastic day. I will be glad to see your comments and questions down below, and see you tomorrow in our next review. Bye bye.